In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to download and install the Claude AI app on your device. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Having Claude AI on your device makes things much easier. You can quickly open the app, ask questions, complete tasks, and take advantage of powerful AI features anytime you need them. Be sure to follow the entire guide without skipping, as you might miss an important step. To begin, ensure your device is connected to the internet. You can use mobile data or Wi-Fi, either will work fine. Next, open the App Store on your device. If you're using Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. Once the store is open, tap on the search option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type Claude. From the search results, look for the app named Claude by Anthropic. This is the official app. Tap on it, then press the Install button. You can either tap Install directly from the search results or open the app page and install it from there. Now, wait for the app to download and install. This usually doesn't take long, but the time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch the app. Alternatively, you can exit the store, go to your home screen or app drawer, and find the Claude app icon there. If you want quicker access, you can tap and hold the app icon and add it to your home screen. Then simply tap the icon anytime to open and start using Claude AI.